Once upon a time, in the warm, fertile lands of Central and South America, a vibrant orange-colored tuber started its journey. Our story begins thousands of years ago, when the sweet potato, a root vegetable known scientifically as Ipomoea batatas, first sprouted in the rich soils of Central and South America. These lands, blessed by the sun, nurtured the growth of this remarkable tuber, which soon became a vital part of the indigenous culture's diet. In these ancient societies, the sweet potato was far more than just a food source. It was a symbol of life, a gift from Mother Earth herself. Its vibrant orange flesh, hidden beneath a modest brown exterior, was reminiscent of the setting sun, a daily reminder of the cyclical nature of life. The indigenous peoples respected the sweet potato, not just for its nutritional value, but also for its supposed healing properties. They believed it could cure ailments, boost energy, and even prolong life. Its sweet flavor and hearty texture made it a staple in their meals, enjoyed in a myriad of ways, from baked to boiled, mashed to fried. In the 16th century, the sweet potato embarked on a new journey when Spanish explorers, fascinated by this exotic tuber, brought it back to Europe. Its unique taste and versatility quickly won over the European palate, sparking its cultivation on a global scale. From there, it traveled to Asia, Africa, and the Pacific Islands, each region embracing it and adding their unique culinary twist. The sweet potato, once a humble tuber in the fertile lands of Central and South America, had now become a global phenomenon. Today, this vibrant orange-colored tuber graces our dinner tables in various forms, from sweet potato pie to crispy fries, nourishing our bodies and delighting our taste buds. Its journey, from an ancient food source to a modern superfood, is a testament to its enduring appeal and nutritional prowess. So from the ancient Americas to your dinner table, the humble sweet potato has a rich history that's as vibrant as its color. But the sweet potato isn't just a delicious addition to your meals, it's also packed full of health benefits. Let's peel back the layers and delve into the nutritious world of sweet potatoes. These vibrant tubers are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of key nutrients that can help boost your health in many ways. To start off, sweet potatoes are high in fiber. Yes, that's right. The same nutrient that helps you feel fuller for longer and assists in maintaining a healthy digestive system. A single medium-sized sweet potato can provide up to 15% of the fiber that your body needs in a day. But that's not all. Sweet potatoes are also a rich source of vitamins and minerals. They're packed with vitamin A, which is renowned for its role in enhancing vision. It's no wonder that sweet potatoes are often associated with eye health. They're also abundant in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps fend off free radicals and boost your immune system. And let's not forget about potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in heart health and nerve function. Now let's talk about blood sugar. Sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index. This means that they release sugar slowly into your bloodstream, helping to prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. So if you're watching your blood sugar, sweet potatoes can be a great addition to your diet. And last but not least, sweet potatoes can promote gut health. The fiber in sweet potatoes feeds your gut's good bacteria, which in turn aids in digestion and contributes to a healthy gut microbiome. In a nutshell, these humble tubers are a bundle of health benefits, offering everything from improved digestion to enhanced vision and a stronger immune system. So whether you bake it, roast it, or boil it, incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can be a sweet deal for your health. Now that you know the healing wonders of sweet potatoes, it's time to make them a regular part of your diet. Get creative in the kitchen and start experimenting with various ways to include this superfood in your meals. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Why not start with something simple yet delicious like sweet potato fries? Or perhaps a hearty sweet potato soup to warm you up on a chilly day. And let's not forget the classic baked sweet potato, a comforting and nutritious dish that's easy to prepare and packs a nutritional punch. It's time to embrace this vibrant, nutritious tuber and experience its healing benefits firsthand. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. And with sweet potatoes, you're investing in a healthier, happier future. Be sure to subscribe for more health tips and like and share the video. And remember, your health is your wealth. So make the sweet choice today with sweet potatoes.